Did you know that choosing the wrong first credit card can cost you thousands of dollars in interest and fees? But choosing the right one can help you build a strong credit score in the United States, even if you're starting from zero. In this video, I'll show you the best credit cards for beginners in the USA and how to use them the smart way. If you're new to credit cards or you don't have any credit history in the United States, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know which beginner credit cards are best, how they work, and how to avoid common mistakes. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before applying for any credit card. A good beginner credit card should be simple and easy to manage. It should have no or low annual fees, easy approval, and it should report to all 3 major credit bureaus. At the beginning, your goal is not rewards. Your goal is to build a strong credit score safely. One of the best beginner options is the Discover It Secured credit card. You provide a refundable security deposit, and that amount becomes your credit limit. Discover reports to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They also match all your cash back at the end of your first year. Another great beginner card is the Capital One Platinum Credit Card. It has no annual fee and is designed for people with limited or no credit history. Capital One is known for approving beginners and offering credit limit increases over time. If you want to build a relationship with a major bank, the Chase Freedom Rise is a strong option. This card is made specifically for beginners and helps you enter the Chase ecosystem, which can be useful in the future. The Pedal One credit card is different because it may approve you without a traditional credit score. Instead, it looks at your income and banking history. This makes it a good option for people who are new to credit in the United States. Getting approved is only the first step. To build credit the right way, always use less than 30% of your credit limit. Pay your full balance every month and never miss a payment. Your payment history is the most important part of your FICO credit score. Most beginners make the same mistakes. They pay only the minimum due, max out their cards, or apply for too many cards at once. These mistakes can damage your credit score for years. To summarize, start with a beginner-friendly credit card, focus on building credit instead of rewards, and always pay on time. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more USA personal finance content. Thanks for watching.